Welcome to the Cyber Free. Stay secure.
and keep hacking.
Welcome back, and we are continuing with our forensic series, and we have already covered three challenges from forensic easy, and we will cover picoCTF 2024, which is really recent, and next we will handle is mob psycho. So can you handle APKs? Download the Android. So you can download the Android package here. And so I have downloaded it here. Now what we can do is, instead of actually we will have to first extract all the files inside the APK file. So we can do that easily using the unzip command. So as we see, like, there are a lot of files here. So instead of individually looking, what we can do is we can use find command, and let's see if there is any file in the name of flag. We will have to specify name and flag dot, and yes, we did encounter this file. So let's just copy this, and we get this. It seems it's a hex encoded information, because no number is more than f. No number is more than f, and we know in hexadecimal the maximum we can go is till f. So what we can do is we can copy this hex, go to micro, we can go to hex decode, and we can use this. We can use this one, paste, and we got the flag. We can copy it, paste it here. So we didn't exactly needed to understand any of the Android programming language at all. We just had to critically think how we can search the term flag, and we have solved. And in the next video we will be covering, can you see?
If you found this video useful, give it a like. And don't forget, subscribing to this channel would be freaking awesome. Thanks again. See you in the next video.